Hello folks, welcome to the Gold Coast Art School, and today we're going to show you about simple thing but important, cleaning your palette. Now check this out, some of these bits of paint are worth keeping. Paint's expensive, so what we do is one of these things, or two in this case. You can get this anywhere the takeaway shop that sells sauces and stuff. Just take your palette knife and scrape the usable bits like that in like so, and then it has a nice airtight seal in it. If you're not going to be working with this for within a couple of days, stick it in the freezer. Next, the yellow. Going to keep the yellow. Now that one is a lemon yellow. This one is more a medium yellow, slightly more orange. Now, going to change knives now. This is a palette knife. That is more a painting knife. This is a bit coarser, a bit broader. You can take as much off as you can. Why do we do that? Is because we don't want to put it in there. So we're going to be cleaning this with terps later, and it all ends up in there. And we've got to try and make this as clean as we can. So again, with the tissue. So we're using the smaller knife now because it cuts in a bit deeper. It's not quite so coarse. We get as much off as we can, and then you can use what's left of this tissue just to give it a cursory wipe. Not a great deal's come off there. So what I like to do then is switch to a rag. Now what I do, you can either go in like that. It takes a little bit off, but to save time and money, and just dip it in there.
That's
wet.
just terps?
That's just turpentine, mineral turpentine. That loosens it up nicely, as you can see. Look at that, thinning it right down. Make sure all your corners are addressed. And then turn it around so you don't get paint all over yourself. You will get terps on yourself, wash your hands afterwards. And then with this side, sop up the rest, and it's as good as new. You can see in the past, this is old paint. I could get that off, but not today. It's not important. We're just doing what normally you would do. All right, you can eat off that. It's beautiful.
Okay, is there anything else that you need to do with this, or that's clean enough?
That is clean enough.
Yeah.
I would hit that with some paint stripper if necessary, but really that's not going to interfere the mixing of your paint. It's not going anywhere, so if you happen to, it's not going to spoil your colours. If you're using other colours, that's not going to lift off at all. Yeah, I think that's about it. Simple.
Simple. And
Thanks for listening and watching.